It's race day, everybody. And here's the current king, Wrex, who seems like an unbeatable force. And he's still under the protection of Darth Vader. Oh, and Batman. We have 16 monster trucks all ready to take a crack at the king. The picks are in and we're ready to race. There's gonna be a lot of celebrities there, so we need aerial coverage. The king's getting transported in style. Cool. Let's load up and get outside. It's gonna be a heck of a race. Oh my God! We have the king, Wrex, waiting on top of Bigfoot and under the protection of Darth Vader. And today's race is gonna be on our super slip and slide. It's the 6-lane, transitions to 2 lanes, and then a freestyle all the way down to the blue finish line. This race is gonna be a lot of fun. Let's get started. We have all sorts of monster trucks in the stands today, waiting to see if there's a new king. Aerial coverage. Got the best seat in the house. Here's the 16 monster trucks challenging the king. I have my little buddies here, so let's get these open. Begin. This is what I really wanted to see right here. Dozen delivery truck with donuts as tires. Is that not cool or what? The Unimog. That is a beautiful casting. Wreckreational. What an awesome monster truck with those beautiful white walled tires. What color squishy car did it come with?
A yellow.
Squishy car. Here, we'll put the squishy cars right here. Look at the Hotweiler's wheels. Oh my gosh, he's bright. There's Rhinomite. Now that is awesome. Looks like a big lemon. He-Man, the Battle Cat. That's a lot of squishy cars. All right, there's the 16 monster trucks. Let's pick 2 and get to racing. All right, who do you have?
T-Rex and Wrex.
That's right, let's get him up there.
I think this one's gonna win.
You think Wrex is gonna win?
Yeah.
I hope he's not as good as the champ. All right, and there's T-Rex. All right, let's see. Set, go. Oh, Wrex. Nice race. Let's switch them and see what happens. On your mark, get set, go. Wrex is tough, and he goes farther. He knocks off T-Rex. And the first truck to move on is Wrex. Nice tires. All right, next 2. Gonna take Rhinomite against the Bowser. Let's get him up there. All right, you have Bowser in 5 and 6, and Rhinomite in 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Rhinomite. Domination. Awesome. Well, you tried, Bowser. That was an impressive win. And into the winner's bracket is Rhinomite. All right, next 2. Who do you have? Oh, you got the lemon. Oh, nice. All right, so you have Rodger against Hotweiler. Now that is a bright couple trucks. And he's got Rodger in 5 and 6, Hotweiler in 1 and 2. Who do you have?
Hotweiler.
Me too. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh my, Rodger. Nice. He blocks him and he wins. All right. He's so bright. And Rodger is moving on to the next round. All right, next 2. Wreckreational. Take it on. Dozen delivery with the donut tires. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, No, Wreckreational lost a dozen delivery. Shocking. Dozen delivery upsets Wreckreational. All right. There's the first 4 to move on. Next 2, who do you have? The other Rodger taking on Battle Cat. Win it for He-Man. You never watched He-Man before? Dang. You're going to have to pull that up on YouTube or something. All right. He's got the Battle Cat in 5 and 6. And he's got the Rodger in 1 and 2. Who is going to win?
Rodger.
On your mark, get set, go. Come on, Battle Cat. Yes. He has won, and he beat the Rodger. And the Battle Cat is the next truck to move on. 6 trucks left. Who are you going to pick? He picked the Midwest Madness. Who's he taking on? Yes. Oh, yeah. That's my favorite one, the Unimog. All right, let's get him up there. All right, he's got Midwest Madness going in 5 and 6. And he's got Unimog going in 1 and 2. Now, who are you going to pick?
Midwest.
All right, I'm picking Unimog. On your mark, get set, go. Unimog with the lead. Yes. Anyway. Oh yes, I'm excited. Unimog is moving on. An awesome monster truck, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Dairy Delivery taking on the Land Rover Jeep. Let's get them up. We have the Land Rover in 5 and 6. Dairy Delivery 1 and 2. You want to say hi to your mom?
Hi, Mom.
All right, very good. I'll say hi to my mom too. Hi, Mom. On your mark, get set, go. Oh my dairy. Nice. Dairy Delivery all the way to the finish line. And Dairy Delivery with a dominant performance going on to the second round. And we have 2 left. We have Bionic Bruiser taking on Will Trash It All. Here we go. All right, Will Trash It All in 5 and 6. Bionic Bruiser. 1 and 2. Who do you have?
This one.
I agree. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, trash it all the way down. And he is moving on. And that completes the first round. And here are the trucks moving on to the second round. Some really good looking trucks right there. All right, here we go. Let's get into the second round. If it's really close, we'll switch their lanes. Otherwise, one and done. All right, who are you gonna pick? All right, he picks Wrex. And who is that? Do you remember? Rhinomite. All right, he has Wrex in 5 and 6 and Rhinomite in 1 and 2. Who do you pick to win?
Wrex.
It's hard to say the opposite, but I'll pick Rhinomite. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Wrex. Rhinomite. No way. I cannot believe it. Wrex has been knocked out of the tournament. That is very surprising. And the first truck to move on to the third round is Rhinomite. Next 2. All right, Dairy Delivery. Take it on.
Rodger.
That away. Here we go. Rodger in 1 and 2. And Dairy Delivery in 5 and 6. Who are you going to pick to win?
Dairy Delivery.
I think you're right. Dairy Delivery all the way. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, look at Dairy Delivery all the way to the finish line. You were right. And Dairy Delivery is the second truck to move on to the third round. Who are you going to pick? Oh, yes. My favorite truck, the Unimog, taking on
Dairy Delivery.
Attaboy. Here we go. Do you like donuts?
Yes.
See on top of that truck right there, it says, I love donuts. We have some donuts in there if you want some later.
Okay.
All right. And then Unimog, 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. Close race. Unimog, yes. What a win right there. Very good run though for Dozen Delivery. The loser bracket is ever growing and the Unimog is moving on. Good looking group right there. Couple surprises. The final race of the second round, he picked, who's this one?
Battle Cat.
That away, and who's this one?
Will Trash It All.
Attaboy. All right, here we go. Who do you think's gonna win?
Trash It All.
Yep, I do too. We'll Trash It All, 1 and 2, and the Battle Cat for He-Man in 5 and 6. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, good race, good race. Wow, nice. And Will Trash It All is moving on. And there we have it. There's the final 4 trucks. Moving on to the third round. This will be the best of 2. Here we go. Who are you gonna pick? He has Will Trash It All. Oh, good race, Rhinomite. All right, he's got Will Trash It All taking on Rhinomite. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Rhinomite with the advantage. Oh, Will Trash It All gets there first. Wow, what a race. Let's switch. On your mark, get set, go. Good race. Wow. Rhinomite with the win. Let's switch them again. All right, Rhinomite in 5 and 6 with the advantage. Taking on Will Trash It All again. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, Rhinomite with the advantage. So Will Trash It All again takes it back. Let's switch them again. All right, we switched them again. Advantage Will Trash It All. You think he's finally gonna knock him off?
Nope.
Nope. All right, here we go. All right, advantage Will Trash It All. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Oh, looking good so far. Yes. Finally, we have a winner and Will Trash It All is moving on. And into the championship round is Will Trash It All with those super awesome tires. Is that open? Yeah, look at this. Look at this. All right, here we go. Who's left?
Unimog and Dairy Delivery.
Very good. All right, get them up there. All right, this is exciting stuff. Here we have Unimog, 5 and 6, taking on Dairy Delivery, 1 and 2. Who do you think's gonna win?
Dairy Delivery.
Well, all right, I'm going Unimog. Here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Unimog with the lead so far. Man, I tell you what, Dairy Delivery pushed him out of the way. And we have advantage, Dairy Delivery. Good pick. He's in 5 and 6. And there's my Unimog in 1 and 2. Come on, buddy. On your mark, get set, go. Close race so far. Hold on a second. Yes, Unimog with the win. Now he's at the advantage. Yep. Disadvantage, Dairy Delivery. All right, and now at the advantage is Unimog taking on Dairy Delivery. You sure you don't want to go to Team Unimog? Nope. All right, here we go. On your mark, get set, go. Come on, baby. Wow, that was ugly. Advantage Dairy Delivery, what a race. On your mark, get set, go. Dairy Delivery with a huge lead. He is moving on to the championship. And there we have it. Dairy Delivery taking on Will Trash It All for the championship round to see who's going to take on the king. And here are the drivers. All right, we have Dairy Delivery in lane 5 and 6 and Will Trash It All in lane 1 and 2. On your mark, get set, go. Dairy Delivery. Oh, he got wrecked by Will Trash It All, and he's up 1-0. All right, advantage Will Trash It All. He is in 5 and 6, and Dairy Delivery in 1 and 2. Get set, go. And Dairy Delivery now with the advantage. We have advantage Dairy Delivery. Will Trash It All with the disadvantage. Here we go. All right, on your mark, get set, go. Dairy Delivery with the advantage in the lead. Wow, hold on a second. Dairy Delivery, and he is going on to take on the King of the Hill. And there you have it, you guys. Oh, there we go. Who is going to win? The King of the Hill. Wrex against Dairy Delivery.
I know who's going to win.
The defending king, Wrex, in lane 5 and 6, taking on Dairy Delivery in 1 and 2. Who do you think's going to win?
Wrex.
Attaboy. All right, for the King of the Hill. On your mark, get set, go. Wrex losing so far. Yes. Wrex won. Dairy Delivery nothing. All right, with the advantage, Wrex in lane 1 and 2. Dairy Delivery 5 and 6. On your mark, get set, go. Advantage. Yes. And he holds on to the King of the Hill, Wrex. I don't know if we'll ever find a truck fast enough to beat Wrex. And there we go. King Wrex back on his pedestal. I really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out this video. It may not have been the most accurate King of the Hill, but it sure was fun to record. I'd like to thank everybody for picking a car. Maybe I'll re-race these trucks on my inside track. I hope you're all doing well. Take care and see you real soon. I've personally selected a fan for interview. What is your name?
I'm Jennifer.
And how are you enjoying the races so far?
Well, I really like it, but I miss Sparkle Smash.
Oh, well, you're in luck. Always glad to make a fan happy.